So hi guys, in this video we will see how to create signature in your Outlook email. Okay, so guys, if you want to create the signature in your Outlook email, so guys, it is very easy. For this guys, first of all you click on the option of setting. In the setting section guys, go to the option of your journal, account. In the account section guys, here you see the option of signature, so you just click it. After that guys, here you see default for the message, so I am already set one signature, so first I delete it. Okay, then guys, here you click on the option of add signature. Okay, so guys, if you want to add signature from the image, so guys, you simply click here, insert, and first enter your signature name. So I'm enter my signature name is okay. Then guys, here you click on picture and you select it from your local machine. Okay, if you want to add any custom and you add any photo, just like it. Otherwise, if you convert from the format text, so you simply search your full name and here you select any text type. Okay, and you want to choose the color, so first you select it and then choose the color, and here you set default for the new message. So guys, if you want to select, so just mark it and set default for the replies. So if you want this, so you also mark, otherwise simply save. Okay, now default for the new message is save this message. Now cross it and here you create a new mail, and guys, here you see that my signature is automatically show in my mail. Okay, so this is the way that you can done. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.